I use it because it's super handy and practical. So as you can see, all my cleaning products are arranged in such a way that I can see them and I don't have to dig through bins and bags to actually find the things I'm looking for. Before, when I had all these different bags with all the cleaning supplies, it was stressful trying to organize them all, trying to find stuff. I like it because it's actually really compact and light, also is spacious at the same time. So I can fit all of my cleaning products into one bag. So I used to have to rummage through all these bags to get to my cleaning supplies, to the point that my friends would call me Megs and her bags, but now it's just Megs and her one bag. It also has a fastener here, so when I drive, it doesn't slide around. Now it's just so simple. My mind is clear when I look at having to go to work.
I use this product because it makes shopping for my family so efficient and almost effortless. I love it. I honestly do not leave home without it. I bring it in the shopping cart with me and it just creates so much more space in the back of my vehicle. I don't have to purchase plastic bags. I don't feel bad putting them in the landfill, and it just keeps everything nice and contained in the back of my car. I have kids, so it just keeps everything together. I can take it camping, and it's a great storage unit. Everything is easily accessible. It has the straps, so I can strap it into my car and make sure that nothing's gonna go around everywhere. I don't have a lot of time, so to have it contained and not everything rolling around is super, super helpful.